Welcome to our live streams. This is where the grown-ups trade. No hype, no flexing, no TikTok guru nonsense. Just focus, discipline, and respect for the craft. Here we trade gold, the oldest store of value on Earth, at the precision scalping level. That's where trading gets real. Where a single tick too early or too late decides everything. It's the hardest style of trading there is. And the highest form, too, because it demands mastery of mind, structure, and emotion. Execution over ego. Reaction over prediction. Can it be the most lucrative? Yes, but only for those who earn it. There are no shortcuts here. You can't fake discipline at 10-second speed. Most gurus out there sell you dreams from their demo accounts. We build traders who can survive the market on their own terms. We don't promise easy wins. We teach you how to build a system that doesn't break when you do. If you're here, you already know what that takes. Courage, grit, gumption, the willingness to get punched in the face by uncertainty and still show up tomorrow with your rules intact. Because precision scalping isn't just a trading style, it's a mirror. It shows you who you are under pressure, and it forces you to get better, not just as a trader, but as a person. The focus you build here, the emotional control, the ability to act without hesitation, those are life skills. They translate everywhere. So welcome to the Barcelona Trader, where we practice the hardest craft in markets and one of the most rewarding in life. Let's get to work.
All right, good evening. It is the 18th of May, 2026, and it is 7:45 p.m. We're getting started. We're trading gold, the Asia session. Let's take a look at what we have going on here. Look at that. Got a little drop going on right there. All right, let's see. We're sitting above the DM3 and below a big bear volume. If we look at this on a 15-minute chart, it's the DM3 right here. Pushed above that. We're about to go into some bear volume, so we don't want to trade into that. Got resistance above us otherwise as well, but if we get above that, then we have some room to run. You can see that the dollar has been falling, except for the last couple of minutes it's been rising, but overall it's been falling. So gold is trying to mount a comeback, at the very least a technical bounce, but it's being held down by these high yields. Yields are at 4.585. And yeah, that's just what we're dealing with here. All right, let's bring the vibe down just a little bit. Get into our evening groove. You can see I've got the camera behind me tonight. Got my superstition candle lit here. Woo, that's hot. Getting down to the end of that candle. Gonna have to light another one. Probably tomorrow morning. Okay. Well, the pre-session analysis is up on Facebook. Also, if you go to the barcelonatrader.com/live stream. Is it live stream or live streams? Live stream, not live streams. Singular. barcelonatrader.com/live stream. You'll see at the top of the page, there's a link that says everything you need to know to trade with us tonight here. That is a link that is updated prior to every session, so you're clicking directly into my Evernote page where I am live journaling my trades Also, you see the entire pre-session briefing there. There's a PDF cheat sheet showing you our top 3 trade ideas for tonight. And the only one that's really valid right now, we have this long that we've taken, beyond the DM3. That was one of them. The other 2 are longs, but they were set up for if we went down. And we could still come down. The session could be turning around here. Like I said, there is some resistance above us, but it looks like we might break through that. All right, let's get into the groove here. Get into the zone. Let's turn our indicator alerts on. Get ready to do this. So what we do, just so you know, we use our indicator here. We're going to get these high-pitched beeps when we get an alert. And once we get the alert, we then evaluate whether it's a trade that we think we ought to take. If we get a sell right here, which we just did, I think I'm looking to take that, but I want to wait for confirmation. That is just my alert to start evaluating the situation. Actually, I got some reasons not to take that, I think. Let's just wait here and see what price action says we're good. We might be coming down here in the very short term. Let's see if we... No, I'm not gonna... Oh, no, I might take this. Yeah, I could have got in on that, but I still think I can. Let's go. Got in a little bit late. I'm going to have to recognize that in the journal. Going for the second TP here. And it might be proving me wrong. Don't like the way it's moving. It's just not, it's not, I feel like if it was going to go, it should have given it to me by now. So I will pop out of this trade if it lets me out with anything. Keep giving it a little bit of a chance here, but if it goes too far against me here, I'm just gonna $6. Just take it. Call that one a break-even trade, okay? Down here to our... Dang, I did not do my pre-market checklist. right, that was trade one. I'm gonna do my pre-market checklist right now, though. Bear with me. This is Asia session. Yeah, we got another sell signal here. Reasons not to take it. Let's see. Don't see any reasons not to take it. I'll even get into it a little bit later. Well, I do see a little reason not to take it, but yeah. Just let it give me a little bit more indication that we're going to continue. I don't like the strength differential. It's showing gold is stronger than the dollar, but go. But I have to hope here for a TP2. I don't really like these trades. Selling into what I think is an overall, well, I don't know. Not 100% convinced on these trades. I probably didn't need to take this one. Let's give it a chance to go. It's gonna hit the VWAP point of control right here. Just have a feeling I'm gonna get pranked. There we go. Now we're getting some movement. I'm at TP2. Are we gonna keep going though? Going back up. I don't want to get. Oh, I'm gonna get throttled. I'm gonna get out. All right. Took another $6. Could have taken that 40. All right, so short. All right, we got 1 minute for 8 o'clock. All right, there we go. Look at this. Look at this 7 o'clock bounce, or 8 o'clock bounce. That's giving us the buy signal. But again, let's think about why we want to hesitate. We're going right back up into this resistance. It looks like we have some momentum, though. We could get beyond this resistance, back into tradable territory. It is looking like get there. We're not there yet. I don't have to get too excited. It's above this bear volume up here, right here. That 8 o'clock volume coming in. This one, I think, is a manual entry. I'm being too cavalier about this. I need to slow my roll. I'm taking a loss on this one. Yeah, that's too much of a loss already. Oh, this was a mistake, and I'm really regretting this right now. I'd like it to come down and let me out, but it's not going to. It's going to continue up, and then I'm taking out a larger loss than I already have. Come on down. Me out for 100, and I'll just eat it. I'll just eat it. I gotta eat it. That was bad. I am 105 down for the session. Let's regroup. Here's what I was looking for. That's what I was hoping was happening earlier. That's what I thought was going to make me bank. It would sell if I got a signal here. Okay, there's my sell signal. I'll take it. And it's going against me. Again. Okay. Not a bad trade. Update my stats panel is what I should do, right? We'll come back. We'll come back. That's a buy signal. Not comfortable taking it. Chilling. Just chilling. Chilling. All right, well, let's put price in a box as long as we're here. There's the top. At the bottom right there. There it is. It's gonna be this room though if we go up, so we're gonna call it. Call that right there. This is Monday, Asia opening range. There's a sell signal, but we're going right into some support. Dollar is coming down right now at this red hot moment, so that's right when I take a sell.